Hi, I'm Tom Bowling, and I want to share with you a couple design ideas today using the teardrop from Pioneer Imports and Wholesale. This is the Dogwood and Fern, as you can tell, and it's a beautiful cascade of materials that springs forth out of the natural grapevine, almost nest type of a feel. And you'll notice what we've done here is to add additional materials in to give it even fuller, more magnificent volume with that wisteria that just spills down and the other, the dogwood that hangs down. Everything is just really, really drippy and almost weeping kind of a look to it. So it's great when it moves. It can hang from a ceiling, a number of different locations. And then of course we've done a little enhancement at the top just to give your eye a more travel, to give something else to look at up here. Now with the wreath, we started off, this is the wreath as we know it to be, as it comes to you. And then once again, by using some of the same materials in here, the cabbage rose, the wisteria that you're seeing, it adds that additional volume. And I love the fact that it has the grapevine on the back that allows me to take my stem, dip it in my glue, and get it into and not have to worry about materials spilling or falling off. So the pinks added into the dogwood and fern, it's a real strong seller for 2020.